Want to update your Facebook birthday without accidentally broadcasting the wrong age to everyone? Let's dive in. First, tap on the three horizontal lines, usually found in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right for iOS. This opens your main menu. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the options. From the expanded menu, select Settings. This takes you to your account settings page. Scroll down and look for Personal Information. It might also be labeled as Account Information depending on your app version. Tap on it. Here, you'll see several options. Choose Profile Information. This is where you can edit things like your work, education, and of course, your birthday. Scroll down until you find Birthday. Tap on Edit next to your current birthday information. Now, use the drop-down menus to select the correct month, day, and year of your birthday. Make sure it's accurate. Before saving, you could also adjust the privacy settings for your birthday. Choose who can see your birthday. Options include public, friends, or only me. Select the option that suits you best. Finally, tap the Save button. Facebook may ask you to confirm your changes, so just follow the on-screen prompts and that's it. You've successfully updated your birthday on Facebook.